welcome back to my channel, still Jameka, and today we're going to be doing this hairstyle. And before I get into it, I want you to comment, like, and subscribe and give me more ideas so that my channel will get behind. So I get a refill. Wait. I got you. So let's just get right into it. First, I'm going to be getting the comb and I'm going to be patting off where I'm going to have my puff to the back, my curly puff to the back, and where I'm going to be having my hair up in one with the swoop. Now I'm going to be putting the back section in elastic so it can separate from the front, and I'm going to be moisturizing the front different from the back, and I'm using the olive oil for Girls moisturizer. Go get some grease, and I'm going to grease my scalp along with putting it on my hair so that my hair can be shiny, you know. I'm going to be getting a rat comb, and I'm just going to be parting off the section where I'm going to be putting my swoop. Going to be putting an elastic to separate it from where I'm going to be brushing up my hair to put it in one. And I'm also going to be using Eco Styling Gel with the argan oil to put inside my hair to slick it up. Now I'm going to be using my hard bristle brush to brush up my hairs to make sure it's slick and able for me to put it in one without no hassle. Now I'm going to be taking some Ghastly glue, and I'm going to be using that to make sure my hair is a little bit more slick, because you know, you got natural hair, so it gotta be slick. If you want to have it fix, it gotta be slick if you want to fix, you know. So I'm just going to be using that on my hair as well. And I'm going to be brushing up my hair again with the hard bristle brush. And don't mind it being white. Once you put like a hair tie over it, it's not going to be white anymore. Having natural hair comes with some hard measures, so I like the hard part. I'm going to be using some Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to part off my hair and put the gel in 3 different sections. I'm going to use your hard special brush and you're going to brush through the hair so that it doesn't get gel evenly through it. And you're going to get some Got2b glue and you're going to put it on top and brush down until it's slick to your liking and look like the swoop of your liking. And you're going to do this with your edge brush. I'm going to use a hair clip to secure it to the back of my ear because you don't want it to be out and then mess up. So I'm just going to use a hair clip to clip it to the back. Where I stretch out my hair so that I can be able to put my hair in a nugget. I call it a nugget. I don't know if you call it a bun or half bun, but I call it nugget. Don't judge me. Obviously, people, you're going to need some bobby pins or you're going to need some hairpins. I'm using hairpins to keep my hair secured. Step you don't have to do. I'm just putting a little bit of curl because my hair is boring. Like, why not add a little curl? So now I'm going to be doing my edges with some gel and some Got2b glue, and I'm using my edge brush to do this. I'm just going to put a little squiggly line on the side of my head, and then I'm going to brush it down to my sideburns so it can look a little cute. You know, gotta have your edges on. As I said many times, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel and grow and be a part of this growing nation because you're doing things. Now you're going to take off the hair scarf and you're going to put a bubble. If you don't prefer doing a bubble, that's fine because I'm young. I want to do colorful. So I'm going to put some cream of nature leave-in conditioner in my hair to the back where nothing was on it, just so it can have a little shine and also so that I could be able to stretch out a bit. I'm also going to be putting some moisturizer on the back of my hair because why would I put it to the front but I'm going to put it to the back? I'm going to put it to the back of your hair and make sure that the whiteness from the moisturizer is out. Okay, you don't want no white stuff. And you're just going to put a couple pins on the side of your bang. You don't have to do this. I'm extra. I'm going to do it. You don't have to. But that's basically it, other than I'm picking out a clip because I was trying to figure out, should I do gold or should I do Miss? And I chose Miss. Well, you'll see. Now y'all know what's going on, tags on everything, like I said in my first video. I'm just going to use my power brush to just spread it out a little bit so that it can be fluffy because I don't really want it like mostly curly, I want it fluffy too, so you know, tags and everything. I know I just ended the video right, like I have some YouTubers that I want to show you guys, so I want y'all to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, I'm going to be showing their videos now. So I hope y'all like the videos. Yourself, please like. I think I like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And probably the next video I do is my edges, because y'all know falsy hair is. Talk about it, but probably the next video I do is going to be on my edges or another hairstyle, because me and my baby are united again. My small baby. Me and my small baby united again. So like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to give me ideas for more videos, okay? And I'm going to shed some love on the people who have been commenting and giving me more ideas. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, give me more ideas, subscribe, and like this video, because I love this hairstyle. I'm sure y'all love it too. So thanks for watching. Bye.